to the first annual Stikbot Climbing Championship. Let's meet our contestants. Black, hello, versus Green, hi. It is time for them to battle in a climbing competition. Let's hear the rules. The rules are you must do an epic jump to the fridge, and then you must hang there and climb too. It will be hard. Let's start with Green.
Yes. Okay, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, jump.
I'm on. It's time.
Let's fly the helicopter. How's it going?
Great.
Good, because we're going back to our spot. What's happening?
So close. Let's go. Yes! I did it! Yes. Now, I am the winner.
It's still my turn.
Oh, yeah. I'm here. Okay, it's your turn.
Okay. I'm ready.
Okay, go.
I'm on. Yes, I did it. I am the ultimate Stikbot climber. Victory dance. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That took way longer than you think.